testing knowledge in real situations. The main task is to check emotional readiness of the participants and to help them move to a new level. Work with fear and stress. Participants make their own decisions of whether or not to participate in the exercise. The participant is dressed in a special protective gear. The dog is well trained as a bodyguard dog and has successfully passed all stages of preparation and certification. The dog has already served its owner for several years and is his best friend and partner.
That even scared me to watch. I felt a sensation in the stomach in my heart.
Я почувствовала, что у меня в животе там какое-то было ощущение нервное, и сердце начало биться.
Я хочу сказать одну из самых важных
I want to say the most
вещей.
important thing.
На данный момент произошла та реальность, которую они должны понять.
Right now, it was almost the situation, the real situation, and you have to understand in that situation.
У них зажалась психика, они перестали контролировать
Your,
пространство.
in this particular situation, your psychology, your mind just shrank because you got scared and you were not controlling what was happening because you were too focused on the fear.
This is protect.
It pinches his teeth, and it's like feels like it's going through.
Он почувствовал, что как будто
No, I'm
собака
fine. There's nothing
укусила.
wrong.
Она ест.
It just
It's
pinches.
very strong dog.
Это реальность. Если собака возьмет,
This
она
jacket
пробьет.
is the reality. If the dog is going to bite it, they're
Это
going to bite
профессионально,
through.
это protection.
This is professional protection. See this?
Grab me like the dog. The dog will hold to the end.
Она хищник, она держать должна добычу.
It's wild dog. He has to grab and why him and grab.
Если добыча
If the prey
остановилась,
has stopped moving, it will latch onto the throat.
If the prey is
I hold the dog with my movement.
even if the dog grabs me while I'm
я всё
rolling
равно кручусь.
backwards, I'm still in motion.
То есть,
I still have to keep moving.
no stop. Это зубы собаки.
This is the dog's teeth.
Окей. У волка 250 килограммов на клыках. Удар у волка.
Okay, the wolf, when they bite, they have a strength of 250 kilos in their bite.
А у
Right.
собаки 100 килограмм.
The dog has 100 kilos.
Окей. Релакс. Вот пускай он представит,
Just imagine,
что я даже ничего не делаю, не давлю.
I'm not even pushing in.
А если я сюда 100 килограмм дам?
And if I press with a strength of 100 kilos,
И она не только так делает, она еще
and the dog doesn't just punch it through, it bites and it twists.
вот эту кость
This bone,
собаки съесть, это 10 минут.
in 10 minutes he's gonna eat your bone. That's it.